Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the metro area in the Moovit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the three lines on the top of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button, and then click on the metro area button, and here you can search within countries, and you can also select a different region. But if you want to stay within Hungary, you can just choose like Miskolc or Pécs instead of Budapest. So just click on that and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.